try to never let you go, let you go. I like your company, you're fun to be with. You are my friend, that is important to me. We are friends and we will stick together forevermore. I always will be by your side. We don't have anything to worry at all. I like your company. You are my friend, and that is important to me. Very, very important to me. Very, very. I try to never let you go, let you go. I like your company. You're fun. David and Sister Frank and his mom and dad were going to go on a trip to the amusement park, and they were looking forward to it. Even Holly's parents were driving a plane on, but somehow they lost control, but they couldn't figure out why they lost control. Do 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 do. They were at the bottom of the river, right? And they said they had to get out of the car because they were losing breath in the car. They thought their parents had gotten out of it as well. Kids said to Dear, where's your parents? Didn't they get out of the car? Dear said, I don't know where my parents are. I guess not. Chris said, they must have gotten out of the car, David. They must have. Kid said, yeah, I think they did. David said, I don't know. Kid said, I guess you're right. They didn't. Maybe they died. David said, that's not very nice thing to say, kid. Holly said, that's not very nice thing to say about our parents here. Kid said, I'm sorry. I just didn't mean to hurt your feelings, David. Jackie said to Kid, do you know where we are? Kid said, we're near the river. But Jackie said, look at the sky, Kid. Kid said, okay, I'll look at the sky. When they looked out in the sky, they could not believe their eyes because they saw two suns out in the sky. David said, I'm scared. Where are we? Is this like a dream or something? Kid said, I'm scared too. And Holly said, I'm scared. Chris said, I'm scared. Kid said she was scared. Holly said she was scared. David said, well, what are we supposed to do? Come along with me, take my hand, and many missions will go on together. Take my hand, hold it tight, and I'll never let go. You are my friend, and we will stick together and evermore. This is our friendship. This is a strange world. We're not on Earth at all. We don't know where we are. So take my hand and hold it tight. David said to Cat 1, what's your name? Do you know where we are? Can you help us? Cat 1 said, we're in Animal Planet. Of course, that's where we are. That's in our planet. Are you aliens or something? You don't look like you're from here. David said, we're not from here. We're from Earth. Can you help us? Cat 1 said, yeah, I can help you. But, how about we go to my house and I can introduce you to my parents. Maybe my parents might help you. David said, okay, thank you. They were basically at Cat 1 and Cat 2 battling home, and Cat 1 and Cat 2 introduced them to their parents. Cat Mom said to David, there is someone that can help you get back to your own planet, but it's a long, long trip to that place. It's called the Wicker. The Wicker will help you. David said, how do you get there? Okay, well, Cat Mom said, alright, I'll loan you our buggy, right? It's a magical buggy, and it drives itself. David said, okay, thanks. and the buggy, he will know where to go. So you don't have to worry. Dave says thank you. Dave says thank you for loaning us your buggy, honey. Cat Mom said it's no problem, but it's going to be a long journey, so you better be there. Better be prepared for the journey to go on. Dave said, why is that? Cat Mom said it's a long journey and there might be some people that aren't very nice that you may run into. Dave said, we'll stick together and we'll be safe, okay? Cat Mom said, good. Goodbye. And Dave said, thank you. Goodbye. They fell asleep in the buggy, but it was the next day when they woke up, so they decided to stop the buggy and get out and stretch a bit and float around, so that's what they did. Holly and Jackie ate some berries from the bush because they were hungry, but then they didn't feel very well. Though they felt kind of dizzy and they didn't know what to do. David said, are you two okay? Holly and Jackie said, no, we're not okay. We're sick. We ate these berries. We thought they were edible. They smelled good. David said, you should have talked to us before you did that. Holly and Jackie said, I'm sorry. I guess we should have. I didn't think. David said, okay, well, let's see if we can find someone who will help us. They were basically back at the buggy, and basically they found some medicine for the two girls, and they gave it to them, and they felt better. They stopped the buggy and said, how about we sleep underneath the star tonight? Kid said, yeah, that's a good idea, but don't we need sleeping bags? Dave said, I think there's some underneath the seat here. Oh, there they are. Kid said, okay, let's get them out and get the blanket out and lie on the grass tonight. There was something really weird about the sleeping bag. It was just one big sleeping bag, but they didn't care because they were just friends, right? They weren't really going to do anything naughty in the sleeping bag with her. That's what they said. He said, hey guys, look at the night sky. It kind of reminds me of a song. Kid said, yeah, it does remind me of a song, David. Let's sing one. David said, okay. You look lovely, lovely tonight. And you're big and round in the sky indeed. Mr. Moon, how are you doing this lovely, lovely night? Mr. Moon, how are you doing this lovely night? You're shining down on me tonight, and I feel very happy indeed. Oh, I could not imagine my life being more important or perfect, and without you in it at all. Mr. Moon, I love you. It was basically the next day, so what they did when they woke up is they packed everything up, packed the sleeping bag up, put it in the buggy, and got into the buggy. And then they were on their way. kid said, hey you guys, do you want to sing a little song while we go to the shop? Dan said, okay, and Chris said, yeah, that's okay. Along on my journey, we're gonna finally get home. Maybe one of these days we'll finally get home. But for now, I sit down and sing my song indeed. Maybe one of these days we'll find our way back home. Maybe one of these days we'll find our way back home. But talk now, up and down and be patient. Yeah, so that was a nice song you sung, kid. Chris said, yeah, that was a nice song too, kid. Kid said, thank you, it was nice, honey, wasn't it? I enjoyed singing it. Dan said, it was nice and pretty. Kid said, thank you. I wanted to never let you go, let you go. I like your company, you're fun to be with. You are my friend, that is important to me. We are friends and we will stick together forevermore. I always will be by your side, but we don't have anything to worry at all. I like your company.